this is made. You give it all to live and give and take. Bound to be a mess, I'm fairly certain. But are you ever lost if you follow your heart? You say, cut away. Find the best in every move we make. Bound to be a mess, I'm really certain. But you will never know until you follow your heart. You say.
From the very moment we met, you were instantly woven into the fabric of my life and into my heart. It was clear that our souls were not meeting for the first time, but simply finding each other again. Every day I'm mesmerized by your kindness and generosity. I boast about you to everyone that will listen, and those that don't are only missing out on knowing how. Your strength and courage inspires me in everything you have achieved and how you grow more beautiful every day. For a long time, I've had a void in my life that could not be filled. But the moment we met, my heart was full, my life was complete.
For the first time, from the bird's eye, coming into view, it changes everything. From the coastline, with a sure sign, caution to the wind, you hear in front of me loud. Cause for the first time, I found something that will last.
It wasn't exactly love at first sight, but turned out it was love. You are a home that carry a heartbeat, a sense of belonging that I didn't know I thought I wanted, but didn't know that I would need it. You are the first and only person that accept me as who I am and all the baggage that come with it. You make me a better person than which I don't know how it's possible because I was already perfect. But I promise to love and cherish and maybe obey you sometime for as long as we shall live. I love you, baby.
We'll say, for the first time, from the bird's eye, coming into view, it changes everything. From the coastline, with a sure sign, caution to the wind, you hear in front of me loud. I've never wanted anything more. Cause for the first time, I found something that will last.
I promise to love you every day, more than yesterday, and more than the toughest days ahead. I'll always be by your side, be your rock, and be your biggest fan.
Cause for the first time, I found something that will last. I found something that will last. I found something.
And before the winners, you have pledged to be married. You have sealed the pledge with your wedding rings. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Woo! And you now kiss the bride. Xin được chúc mừng cô dâu và chú rể. Những sự nghiệp của tất cả bạn bè và người thân. Xin được tuyên bố hai bạn hạnh phúc với nhau.
Richard, with these beautiful traits that make you you, remember that sometimes you will need to compromise and be willing to not be all in on occasion. Richard, I wish you and Trin all the love and happiness in the world. Here's a toast to you and your new life as husband and wife. What? Hi? Ah! Yo!
Then I looked in your eyes and the fog started drifting away. From the winter to spring, I could finally see the way. I feel so